worked as an HR intern in my startup Yatra. It was my first time working as an HR intern. I learned many things from here, which will help me in my career as an HR. And I'm really glad that I got an opportunity to do my internship in my startup Yatra. It was a really good experience for me, and thank you.
Hi, I'm Tejal Saudari. First of all, I would like to thank Nolexon for providing me with such a wonderful opportunity to work with them. During my 2 months of association with Nolexon, I have learned and experienced a lot of new things. My skills got upgraded. Also, under the guidance and encouragement by Priyadarshi sirs, I have learned various new aspects related to digital marketing, and I had also learned how to tackle challenges that came my way. Lastly, I would like to say that it's a marvelous platform which helps you gain an ample of knowledge and experience, and also helps you develop expertise. Thank you, Nolexon and
Good evening, everyone. I'm Smriti Ubegawkar and I'm currently working as a finance intern in Nolexon Innovation and Technologies Private Limited. Working with Nolexon was always a great experience. I mean, so many things to learn, so much of creativity, so much of strategies we have planned, and I really enjoyed being with you guys. And thank you so much for cooperating. Thank you so much for all your help, and I wish you get great success and you achieve many heights. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Panjna working as an HR campus ambassador in my startup Yatra. Being as a campus ambassador for my startup Yatra is a deeply rewarding opportunity both on a personal level and also in terms of career perspective, because it gave me an opportunity to involve with many different types of work, allowing me to develop my skills, because I have worked in different positions of HR and also some part of marketing. From past 2 months, I can see it was a really awesome experience working with my startup Yatra, because they are allowing us to learn more, experience more, working and also working more positions. Even I can say thank you for Priyadarshi sir and Sangamitra ma'am, mainly allowing us to work in different fields and experience in different fields, and they really helped us in many areas. And thank you for helping us in every aspect of our work and making us to learn more and be prepared for our future. So I can say thank you for whole team whom I worked from past 2 months. They are really helpful and friendly even. So it was really great experience working with my startup Yatra. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shubhankit Panigrahi and I'm currently pursuing PGDM from Xavier's Institute of Management, Bhubaneswar. I have been interning with Nolexon for the past 2 months in various capacities, in the capacity of strategy and product development roles, and I like my experience because it gave me a great exposure and it made me willing to try innovation in my everyday dealings. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinit Kumawar. I'm the intern at Nolexon Private Limited for HR role. It has been a wonderful opportunity to work with the company. During the internship, I had many tasks like recruitment, policy making, and team building exercises. It has been a great exposure to corporate environment and HR industry. I would like to thank Nolexon, my company mentor, Pradeshi sir and Sangamitra ma'am for providing me such a wonderful opportunity to work. Thank you.
I have been blessed with enough opportunities in knowledge and environment. Despite the current situation, our management has helped me juggle through multiple responsibilities while learning a lot from it.
I'm Richa Thakur. I worked as an intern at Nolexon. During the internship period, I worked on 2 websites. I made several changes and also added few features to those websites as directed by the company. It was a very good learning experience for me because I was able to explore new areas of web designing. It also enhanced my knowledge and made me more diverse as an intern. The environment was very friendly and supportive. They appreciated my work and also guided me wherever improvement was required. So, lastly, I would like to say that I'm really happy to be a part of Nolexon as an intern because it has definitely helped me in learning new things and improving my skills.
Hello everyone, my name is Jayesh Wankhede and today I would like to share my experience as an intern in Nolexon. So I was working in Nolexon from past 2 months. So my experience in this internship was very good. It was very helpful. I have learned many things from this internship, like communicating, multitasking, and many more. So I would like to thank everyone. I would like to thank my co-workers for helping me in this internship, and thank you for this opportunity, for selecting me as an intern. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Dikvijay Naidu. I am currently pursuing MBA in IIM Sambalpur. I had done 2 months of summer internship program in Knowledge and Technology Private Limited. I had a great learning experience and knowledge sharing during these 2 months. I have learned many things, right from leadership skills to working like a team member and getting things done within the given deadlines. Also, I had many fun times, games and team building sessions with all the team and team. Finally, I am thankful to the Priyadarshi sir and Sangamitra ma'am and also the whole intern team for giving me this opportunity to be part of this Knowledge family. Thank you.